Hellcat.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이.
Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm going crazy.
Today is another exciting day for us to drive all around Malaysia. And today, ako ay pupunta ng Kota Damansara para bumili ng cat food. Mukhang maganda ang panahon ngayon at sana manatili siyang ganyan hanggang sa ating pagbalik mula sa pagbili ng cat food. Okay, pwede muna tayo at mukhang masikip ang daanan. May isang sasakyan na nakahambalang sa harapan. Ayan, go na ulit. At bago tayo magkalimutan, huwag kalimutang i-like at subscribe ang aking channel para update kayo sa aking mga latest travel vlogs. Oops! Bagal muna tayo at masikip ang daanan. Ayan, pwede tayong sumingit. Bagal ulit tayo at wala tayong masisingitan. Oops! Malubak! Ayan, makakasingit na ulit tayo. So, let's go! Mukhang natagtag yata ako dun. Okay, bagal ulit tayo at medyo may build up na sa lugar na ito. Ayan, konti na lang guys at makakalabas tayo sa main road. Tingin sa kanan. At sabay harungot. Alright, so andito na tayo ngayon sa Jalan Lingaran Tangga 2 sa main road. Medyo mahaba-haba itong daan ko guys, kaya steady lang kayo dyan and enjoy the ride with me. Giling konti sa kanan. Okay. At may build up na naman sa lugar na to. Meron kasing paliguan dyan sa kaliwa. Kaya traffic at saka rush hour pa. Ayan, makikita nyo yung kaliwa ko, puro sasakyan dyan kasi traffic nga at palikos lang ng kaliwa. Medyo busy ang pasada na yan dahil sa sobrang dami ng mga sasakyan dumadaan dyan. Yan ang Jalan Kuching. FYI guys, andito pa rin tayo sa Jalan Lingkaran Tanga 2.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Ayan, kumakaliwa na po tayo. Lapit na rin tayo sa Toll Plaza. Pagkatapos ito, kakaliwa ulit tayo, which is directly going towards the Toll Plaza. Ayan, we are now exiting left. And after nito, dire-diretso na po tayo papuntang Toll Plaza. So, andito na po tayo sa LDP Road or mas kilala sa tawag na Damansara Puchong Expressway. At muli po ay huwag niyong kalilimutang mag-like, subscribe sa aking channel at i-hit niyo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga travel vlogs. So ito na guys, we are approaching the Toll Plaza, pero dadaan tayo sa motorcycle lane para iwas aberya. Meron din tayong madadaanan ditong small or short tunnel. Ito na. O diba, short lang. At lumampas na nga tayo sa Toll Plaza. So straight lang ulit tayo guys. Mga 10 minuto na lang at mararating na natin ang ating destinasyon. Okay, stay na tayo sa kaliwa mga guys. guys at liliko na rin tayo sa kaliwa and then mag-U-turn tayo. So we've now made an exit to the left and after this, mag-U-turn naman tayo. Okay, bagal na tayo guys at pa-U-turn na ulit. Medyo masikip at maraming sasakyan. Ayan, nakarawas na rin tayo sa wakas. After nito, dire-diretso and then we will turn left. Ang nasa left side ko pala guys is one of the known shopping malls here in Malaysia. Yan, ang Bandar Utama or mas kilala din sa tawag ng One Utama. Okay guys, paliko na tayong kaliwa. Pasok na tayo ng first errand, Surian. Alright, so dito na tayo sa first errand, Surian. Ilang minuto na lang at mararating natin ang ating destination. So, chill na tayo guys. So, we are now passing through one of the coolest tunnels here in Damansara. Again, I just want to say thank you for watching and tuning into my channel. Again, don't forget sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe na sa aking channel and like this video. And hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga travel vlogs. Buti na lang talaga at maganda ang panahon ngayon. Kung hindi, nako, basa na naman ako sa rain. Sa left side ko pala guys ay isa sa pinakabagong shopping complex dito sa Malaysia. Yan ang tinatawag Tropical Gardens. Bago-bago pa yan, so hindi ko pa siya na-explore. Hopefully, one of these days, mapasok ko siya at makita natin kung ano ang meron sa shopping complex na yan. Okay, we're making a U-turn guys. Konti na lang at mararating na natin ang bilihan ng cat food. Okay, and we're making a turn to the left. So sa lugar pala na ito ng Damansara, marami kang pwedeng puntahan na kain ng pagkainan o mga shops for food, banks, ano pa ba, marami. As in, pwedeng pumasyal dito, magpaikot-ikot, you can dine in, chillax, super laki ng lugar na to. At kung mapapansin nyo, wala na akong nilagay na subtitle kasi masyadong mahaba, and patapos na rin ang video na ito. So thank you so much guys for watching and tuning into my travel vlog. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Okay, so liliko na tayo sa kanan, and just a few more blocks at maabot na natin ang cat food shop. Ayun, bukas pa sila at kumaway ako kay Kuya just to check kung bukas pa talaga. Ayun, so bye guys, thank you so much for watching, see you next time.
Like a Hellcat.